Welcome back, Glamours, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY request, I was asked to create something for October Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So to show my support, I decided to recreate this side table with rectangle and square shapes. If you would like to find out how I created my version of this side table, just continue watching. So to start off, I'll be using these strong boxes that I purchased from Walmart. Next, I'll start off by taking my measurements and cutting out my pieces to create my rectangles, and I cut out 42 pieces. I'll have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll start gluing all my 4 pieces together. And to complete the size of the rectangle, I cut out 30 4x4 pieces, and I'll be gluing 3 together. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll start gluing all my pieces together, and I made 6 rectangles in total. Next, I'll start putting them in position, and then I'll mark them and glue in place. I'll be using my strongest wood glue and glue sticks. Next, I'll be putting together my bottom base, and I already measure and pre-cut my pieces. I'll be repeating the same steps for the tabletop. Once that was done, I used white paint to cover the whole entire base. Once it was dry, I'll be using pink and silver mirror reflection sheets, and these are very strong, made out of poster board paper. I'll be measuring and cutting them into strips, and then I'll be gluing them on the front part of the base. I'll be using the pink sheets for the size, and I already pre-cut the size that I needed. Once that was done, I'll be gluing the bottom base and the tabletop together. Next, I'll be using clear school glue to apply my crushed glass, and you guys have seen me do this 100 times. I'll have other DIY videos linked below where I use the same techniques to apply my crushed glass. And to add a ombre and shimmering effect, I'll be using chunky pink glitter. I also glue around the edges of the bottom base and tabletop pink bling wrap. And here's the finished look. I really do love the way this table turned out. And remember, this table can be created in silver or in gold as well. I also forgot to mention that I added crushed glass in between each rectangle. I was very honored and proud to take on this request because I too had friends and family, males and females, who had passed away from breast cancer or are dealing with it now. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this special edition of this DIY as much as I enjoy creating it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't, comment if you wish, and turn on your notification bells for more upcoming DIY future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.